Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the campus party. So, Gabriel, come on, S- speak about our next guest. Oh, I'm not listening. You can you?
All right, yeah,
Oh,
I
yeah.
am good. Oh, sorry, no worries, guys. I am here campus party in the event, and I use the mask because I am in physical event, and I will show for you. And it is amazing event. This event is now it's animal. Look, all right. This stage. Here have the companies and then other people's working and guys, my team, and Bruno. Say hello, Bruno. Say hello, Paulo. And after car, we have the stage jobs. Sorry? Yes. Hey, Albert, how you doing, man? Bruno say, hey, Albert.
Hey Bruno.
And
Eh,
today or later, we start talks in English about jobs, and these talks it's very amazing for your career. And my friend Albert, it's my colleague in mentoring with Bruno, say a lot of things important for your career, right? And Maxi, you have more things for say?
No, I must say that it was amazing presentation. So I will be watching and looking forward to see the tips. So well, Bruno, introduce our guest in the first moment. So thank you, everyone. I will let you take it away. Okay, Albert, let's go ahead.
Okay, so hello everyone. It's great to be here at Campus Party. Today, I'm gonna talk about how to build habits to achieve what you want. Uh, if you want to ask any questions during the talk, you can just interrupt me. Uh, so feel free to ask anything. My name is Helber Belmiro. I help professional Java developers design and implement APIs that are easy to evolve and upgrade so they can write maintainable software and stay up to date with technology. I'm software engineer at Banrisul, where I develop an internal framework that is used by several applications that work as a service. Actually, yesterday was my last day at Banrisul. I'm moving to a new company, so just say that I'm joining Red Hat in a few days. So the tips that I will give you here in this talk, you can see that it works, right? Because I'm moving to a new job, so uh, all many things that I did here from this talk helped me to 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 join this new company. So I'm gonna show you today that we can all build good habits. I'm gonna talk about a strategy that is from this book, Stick with It, The Science of Lasting Behavior from Sean Young. I have two real use cases that is from my life, from my routine, that I will show you how I used the strategy from this book to adapt my routine and achieve my goals. The takeaways, and I have a challenge for you in the end of that talk. In this talk, I'm gonna talk a lot about me, but uh, it's not about me. It is about you. I'm not here to show you my achievements. I'm here to show you how I adapted my routine to make it work. And I'm here to inspire you to adapt your routine so you can achieve your goals. The things that I did worked for me, and you have to find the ones that work for you. So if you want to build good habits, you want to write a blog, or you want to do presentations, learn a new technology, stay up to date, stay healthy, be a better father, mother, husband, or wife, you can do it. And it's not hard as it might sound. Uh, for example, 15 minutes a day makes a difference. If you sum 15 minutes a day, you will see that after several days you will have dedicated a lot of time for your habits. And 15 minutes a day is better than 2 hours in the weekend. And a little effort every day is easier than a big effort for one day. So it's much easier for you to spend 15 minutes every day than spending 2 hours in the weekend. And little effort every day gives you a great results. 15 minutes a day, it's like 1 hour and 45 minutes a week, and is 7.5 hours a month. So you can see that it's a lot of effort if you just put 15 minutes every day. For example, in 2 months, you could learn a new technology. I got these 3 courses from Udemy, and you can see that all of them are they have less than 15 hours of duration. And with a little effort you can achieve big things. And these 3 courses here are very, very well evaluated courses. As you can see, they are 4.6 stars, so they are very, very good courses. And all of them have less than 15 hours. And it's easy for us to waste 15 minutes a day. For example, these images I took from my smartphone. These are the how much time I spent on each app during 1 week. And I just selected apps that I use in my free time. So you can see that on Instagram, I spent 1 hour and 37 minutes in a week. On Facebook, almost 1 hour. On WhatsApp, almost 1 hour. And with this game, Big Brick Balls Crusher, I spent half an hour in 1 week. And it's 243 minutes that I just waste. I didn't use it to do anything useful. Man, it's over 4 hours in a week that I just waste. It's just wasted time. Of course, we have to relax. We have to rest. And when we are resting or relaxing, we have to check social media or play a game. So let's say that instead of spending 4 hours, let's try to cut this 4 hours that we are wasting. Let's cut this for 2 hours. Let's dedicate 2 hours in our week. 2 hours is 120 minutes divided by 7 days is 17 minutes a day. So as you can see, it's easy for us to spend 15 minutes a day. So this book, stick with it, The Science of Lasting Behavior from Sean Young. In this book, there's a strategy for us to build habits that is called science. Science is an acronym for step ladders, community, important, easy, neural hacks, captivating, and ingrained. All of these words have something that you can do to create a build habit. For example, step ladders means that you have to do small steps, because it's easy for you to give small steps. It's easier than you to give a big step. Community. It's important for us to engage with the community to create good habits. So share with your friends that you are creating a good habit. Tell them what you are doing. Tell your family what you are doing, and they will help you. They will give you feedback, and they will inspire you to keep doing, so you can improve your process and keep building your habits. Important. Make it important for you. No, you have to know why you have to build this habit. You have to know why it is important. For example, it might be for you to get a healthy lifestyle. It might be important because you need money to build a new house, to buy a new car, or for you to travel. It has to be. It can be important because you need to learn a new technology. You need to learn something for joining a new company. So make it important and know why it is important. So you will keep doing because you know that what you have to do is important. Easy. Make it easy for you to do. If you have any difficult, try to eliminate this difficult. So, for example, I have difficulty reading physical books because I have to take the book from one place to another. So to make it easy for me, I bought an e-reader. So now I have my e-reader everywhere with me, so I can read books with much more easy. Neural hacks. Neural hacks means that you need to trick your brain. For example, trick your brain is like trick your brain for your brain. It is make your brain thinks that what you have to do is easy. For example, I'm gonna read a book for just 15 minutes. It's just 15 minutes. Say to yourself that it's just 15 minutes. You can do more. Maybe, probably sometimes you will do more, but what you have to do is 15 minutes. Say to yourself, oh, it's just 15 minutes. I can't spend 15 minutes for doing that. Captivating. Make it fun. Do what you like. Give a reward to yourself. For example, when you complete your tasks, eat something delicious, something that you like. Give a reward for yourself. Play video games or go do something that you like, and your brain will understand that doing your tasks is a good thing, because you are you're gonna have a reward after you complete your task. Ingrained means that uh, doing every day. Just try to do every day and try not skip any day, because the most ingrained a habit is in your life, the easiest is for you to keep doing. And after some time, it starts to become automatic for you, doing what you have to do. It becomes a habit, you know. So the first use case that I'm gonna show to you is how I was doing for study, for share content, and for contributing for open source software. Uh, it was not working for me. I was trying so hard to do those things, and it was not working. And I had to find out why it was not working. And I found out that I was doing after my job, and that's why it was not working, because I was always tired after my job, because I had worked the entire day, and I still have to study. I still have to contribute to open source projects, and it was not working for me. And another reason that was not working was because people were awake, making noise, so I couldn't concentrate. And because people were awake, I wanted to stay with them. I didn't want to to be alone, and I wanted to stay with them. They are my family, so I want to stay with them. And sometimes after my job, I had to go shopping or resolve ordinary problems, or wash the dishes, or uh, do things from our ordinary routine. So uh, this was also preventing me from doing my tasks. And at this time, I was always hungry, so I had to stop to eat, and then I didn't want it to do my tasks. So I adapted it. I started doing this my tasks early in the morning before my job. I started wake up earlier, and before my job, very early. I'm not tired because I just woke up. People are still sleeping, so it's silence. Nobody is making any noise, so I can concentrate. My productivity is maximum because I'm not tired, and I don't have anything important to do at this time. So I started doing this way, and actually I achieved a lot of results. I could dedicate a lot of time for doing uh, for studying new technologies, for sharing content, and contributing to open source software. And how I used science in this use case. It is important. I need to do that to grow my career. I think we all here work with technology. Most of us work with technology, and we need to study a lot. So it's important for me to do that to grow my career. I made it easy because I do it before my work when I'm not tired yet, and I'm the only one awake in the house, so it's much easier for me. It's captivating because I feel good when I do it. I have the feeling of accomplishment when I do my tasks, and it's ingrained because I do every business days, and on weekends I usually do, but there's no set time to do it. The second use case is sharing content for 100 days. I had a problem when before I tried to do that. I was taking too much time to share knowledge, and I was spending too much time improving the content. And nobody was seeing what I was sharing. And if nobody sees, nobody asks questions. And if nobody asks questions, I don't know what to share. And if I don't know what to share, I take too much time to share. And if I take too much time to share, nobody sees it, and it repeats, and I joined a loop that nothing happens. So I had to find a way to solve this problem. And the inspiration came from Bruno Souza, the Java man. He was talking about Big Brother, the TV show, and he told us that Big Brother is 100 days of boring stuff. A guy making cooking, another guy taking a bath, and it has a few cool stuff in the middle, and the TV just get this cool stuff and show to people, and people love it. And Bruno also says that we don't know what people want, what people like, and I could discover that because content that I shared and I didn't expect that would have much engagement, and they actually did. So we don't know what people want or like. We doing sharing a lot of content we improve by repetition because we are sharing every day or doing what we have to do every day. We increase the chances of sharing something viral, and it's good for the social media algorithms because they deliver more your content if you share a lot and with consistency. So okay, Bruno inspired me. I want to share for 100 days every single day, but how can I do that? I'm taking 1 month for writing one blog post. How can I share for 100 days every single day? So I used science. I knew that it was important because I need to get visibility. I decided to do 1 day at a time until I have a lot of content, so step ladders. It had to be easy, so it needs to be short, otherwise I won't be able to do it for 100 days without interruption. So I decided to create this initiative that I called 100 Days of Java, where I would share something short every day for 100 days. So I will do in my social media, so I have the community engaged. It's captivating because it will be fun to see the engagement and answer questions. Neurohacks. I did a promise when on the first day I promised that I would share for 100 days, so I have to do it. Now it becomes even more important because I can't break the promise. I gave my word. So now it becomes very, very important for me because I can't break this promise because I gave my word. Now I'm committed with the community. It becomes ingrained because I'll do every single day. After some times, after some days, I started to improve the process. So I started doing after my work. So I'm already in front of my computer and I don't even need to get up from my chair. I just finished my job and started doing my content from that day. People started asking questions, and those questions gave me more idea for the future. Uh, I keep the ideas for the future, so I can use them on days when I'm low on creativity or I have little time. So as you can see, I'm making it easier during the whole process. Uh, I was invited to give a talk in a company. One of my followers was liking my content, and he invited me to give a talk in his company, and that was full to keep sharing. So it's captivating. Uh, After that, I told my friends that I gave this talk, and one of them invited me to present the same talk to his judge. So uh, I I did my first talk in English because of that, because I was sharing content for 100 days. Uh, it was captivating because the number of followers on Twitter tripled. I had a very low number of of followers, and the number tripled. It after some time it gets easier to keep sharing because you it's now ingrained, so it's kind of automatic. You know that you have to do, you don't even need to think, oh, I still have to do this. No, you it becomes automatic. I created a template to make the whole process faster. So I'm always trying to make it even more easier so I can keep doing. Other people got inspired and started doing the same as me. So uh, I'm think I'm doing a good job because I'm influencing people. And finally, I could achieve the last day, and it was a very good sensation. It was a feeling of accomplishment, and because of that, a lot of things happened to me, and one thing make another thing happen, and it uh, brings a lot of good things because I just shared content for 100 days. So the takeaways for you is adapt science to your routine. Make it easy for you. Make doing easier than not doing. Make also make it important. How I did that. Uh, how I did doing easier than not doing. I did a promise. So if I if I if I don't do, I will break the promise, and it will be very bad for me. I will feel very bad if I can't keep my promise. So doing what I have to do, it's much more easy. It's much easier than not doing. Uh, do it when it's easier for you. Find the best time for you to do in your day. Enjoy it, make it fun, do what you like. It's start small, make it simpler, but start today. Don't wait for the perfect time, because never is the perfect time. Start today. uh, Enhance the process during the journey, so you keep making it easier and better. And share what you're doing with your friends. People will get inspired, and they will inspire you back. Yeah, they will give feedback, and you can learn with them, and they can learn with you, so everyone grows together. But be careful. uh, I, uh, if I would do this all again today, I would do a bit difference. So don't promise what you can deliver. Know how to use the promise to help you, as I did. Uh, for example, promising 100 days of whatever might be dangerous. It worked to me because I knew that the commitment would help me. It would force me to keep doing. But uh, if you fail, you'll feel frustrated. So know yourself and uh, know if promising works for you, because it might not work. It depends. It depends from person to person. On the other hand, not making promises might not make it important to you. So you know you you have to decide to promise something or not. I would, if I would do it today, I would experiment without promise, and then after that make easy promise. For example, a week of something, a week of Java content, or for example, once a week of something for a whole month or for 2 months. So know yourself and do what works for you. Uh, Adapt to your routine, to your needs. uh, Make it easy for you. And now it's your turn. So I would ask you to download a habit tracker app. There are lots of apps of this kind. I put 3 apps here, but you can use any app that you want. The There this app every day, and there this app Dawn and Confetti. So pick an app, choose a habit to build, something easy to start, like reading a blog, a book, writing a blog, coding. You choose. Do it for 5 minutes every day. If 5 minutes is too much for you, you can use other things. You can do 1 minute or 5 words or 5 sentences, whatever you feel comfortable and not afraid to commit to do it every day. And every day that you complete your 5 minutes or your 1 minute or whatever, put in the app and don't break the chain. You will see that on those apps you create a chain of several days. So try not break this chain. And this 5 minutes a day challenge, how it fits with science. It's one day at a time until you have built a new habit. So step ladders. It's important. You have to know why your habit is important. It's easy. It's just 5 minutes. Everyone has 5 minutes in a day to do something good for ourselves. If 5 minutes is too much for you, do for 3 minutes, 1 minute. Doing every day is more important than much you do in a day. So if you are very tired and you don't want to do 5 minutes, do anything, but don't skip any day. Make it easy. Use your app to help you. If you find out that something is making it difficult, eliminate it. For example, reading physical books for me is difficult, so I bought a Kindle. Neurohacks. Say to yourself before you do. If you're not willing to do, say to yourself, "Come on, it's just 5 minutes. If I don't do it, I will break my chain of the 22 uninterrupted days." For example, say to yourself, "Oh, I did for 22 days. If I don't do it today, I will break my chain. So let's do it." If I don't do today, tomorrow I probably won't do it again because I don't have a chain anymore. So come on, let's do it. Make it captivating, celebrate. Yeah, I've done for 23 days without interruption. Celebrate, make your brain understand that this is good. Uh, yeah, I have a new badge in the app, for example, and make it ingrained. So do it every single day. So to finish here, we saw that we all can build good habits. Uh, uh, I presented the strategy science that is from this book, Stick With It, The Science of Lasting Behavior from Shan Young. I presented two use cases, these two use cases, real use cases from my life and how I adapted it to make it work, the takeaways and the challenge. So if you have any questions, now it's the time. I want to help. I'll be glad to help you with that. So if you don't want to ask here, you can just ping me on my social media. Here is the link. So feel free to send me a message. And that's it. If anyone has any questions.
Well, amazing presentation, Albert. I didn't see a question and no questions right now for you and on the chat. But I must say that you inspired me to start my content as well. So this kind of steep tips that you present, that you show up to those things to us, it's so precious, and it will change your life, man. If it change the way that you increase your career. Right now, my career is growing up because your content inspired me, and it is working. I can say that by myself, but I'm sure that it works with you as well, people. So believe in it, those tips. Uh, Stay tuned in social media, Albert social media. Follow him on Twitter and and another social media, and you see that great contents on there, and you will learn a lot. And you see that when you share, sorry, I forgot to bring my friend, sorry. Oh, sorry.
You forget me, bro.
Oh my god, sorry man, sorry
Oh
man.
man.
I will
All
let you
right.
stay, okay? I will let you complete those things, okay? Take it
All
away, man.
right. I will say about 100 day because really, if you create an app for share your content, like 100 day, you have a great growth. Like I create 100 days about Java and create a video and put my channel YouTube. And my friends, oh my God, I felt um, a good sensation once and finish. And my career have a great progress because it is 100 day. And create a good apps, yeah, it's very important to your career. And Albert spoke, sorry, um, great tips about this. Create a good apps about Challenger 5 minutes every day. And oh my God, these tips so amazing. It's only say to say about 100 days because I make it this challenge.
Yeah, this 100 days of code of anything
Yes,
was very inspired. I wanted to do that but I knew that it would be hard, so I had to make it very easy, so I don't
yes,
miss any day. I like Mike, like Max. I think I thought uh, in doing videos, but oh man, this won't work for me because I won't be able to spend so much time editing videos, for example. So
Yes,
I'm just share something simple, and
but not simple.
how works for me. It might work for Max or for you, but for me, I knew that it wouldn't work.
But it's true. It's not easy. You need a persistence because have days you get up is very bad or hungry or have another problems, and these problems have impact. But my favorite word is no pain no gain. Like if you don't make it, like leave it as uncomfortable, you don't have a progress. And then like 100 days or 5 minutes challengers, it's very important because you have a grow in this period. You leave it, you're uncomfortable.
Yeah, and after some time, it becomes easier. It becomes
Yes,
ingrained in
but not
yourself.
easy. It's very difficult.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think that the most problem is the judgment. Judgment it's so hard. So when you be confident, it's the key. You need to don't judge yourself. Start easier. Start it in an easy way. Like Albert said, share a little content day by day, step by step. You see that oh man, we will learn a lot of things. For example, I'm trying to do the same project using YouTube. So I've needed to learn how to edit videos, how to mix those things, how to control those things. You will increase a lot of skills that you don't have right now because you don't try. If you don't try, anything will happen. If you try, at least you will learn something. Okay,
Yeah.
you will learn something. At least you will learn something. But if you don't learn anything, oh god, it's something wrong. But I'm sure, man, you will learn something. Something you will learn, and if you are share something, something will happen. Sharing something so important. I have glad to. I must thank you, Albert, for your process, for your I'm following you in on YouTube, in Twitter. I can see how those little things that you drop on there change the people lives. So I must thank you. So I let you talk a little bit if you want, say something before to go because you need to eat something. I'm hungry. Okay, but feel free to say something. Okay, take it
Okay.
away.
I would just say thank you for you guys. Thank you. It's good. It was good to see you, Max. You, Gabriel. Thanks for the opportunity to being here to help someone. So thanks for the opportunity.
Thanks, Albert. Thanks for
And
coming
thanks,
here.
Bruno, for the inspiration and for the invite as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
and thanks
So
for coming.
yeah.
Any
So
anything? Sorry.
no, take it away, man. Take it away. Keep
No,
it
no.
talking. Keep it
I, I,
talking.
I don't have more things per se.
Okay, guys. So see you next talk. Okay, next talk will be presented by Sabrina. Sabrina it will be a Portuguese content. So if you are comfortable with Portuguese, so feel free join us in a couple minutes. Okay. So Albert, Gabriel, everyone, see you there. Bye bye.
Bye,